In today's video, I want to show you how this daily deal cash machine over here has generated me over $1,609 in the last 24 hours. I made a quick presentation for you guys. It's about 40 seconds long that will explain to you how epic this funnel is and how you can track each and every lead with an AI to specifically show them specific content on each page. So quickly take a look at this.
Campaign is a sales funnel where you first capture your prospects' details, then redirect them to your deals page. The deals page contains 3 different daily deals. You might be thinking, but hey, how can you have all 3 days on the same page? BAM, Behavioral Adaptive Marketing, allows you to show or hide certain sections in the page based on whether or not the lead has a tag. Once a lead purchases, Kartra automatically applies a tag based on the lead having purchased your deal. The way this campaign works, the prospects will sign up multiple times, in effect getting them to register to win your daily deal. Using advanced automations built within the opt-in form, tags are assigned or unassigned based on the lead either having or not having a tag, which allows you to show the proper deal to the lead, all contained within the same page.
I mean, how epic is that? This funnel is actually using an AI adaptive marketing which shows specific content to specific leads based on what they've read, viewed, or purchased in the previous page. So this is pretty epic. This is a great way to really increase your conversion rate and get tons of sales with this funnel. I'm also going to show you how you can go and import this funnel at the click of a button without creating it, without creating each and every individual page. All we need to go do is obviously change our titles and text according to the product that we're going to promote. But the best part is we can just go over to ClickBank or JVZoo or any one of those affiliate marketing network sites and go and plug in any product into this funnel. So without further ado, let's get started with the first step. The first thing we need to do is we need to come over to our Kartra dashboard over here. So Kartra is the tool where we can go and import done for you funnels, done for you campaigns, create your own landing pages, create your own email sequences and email marketing programs. So this tool is an all-in-one business marketer in a box. So if you want to get access to this tool for just $1 and on top of that get over $5,000 of bonuses and funnels complete for you, completely for free for a lifetime, you can come over to the second link in the description, sign up on that tool, you'll get an email from me with all the access to your bonuses and you'll be able to land on your dashboard over here. So once you've done that, you need to click on the My Campaigns tab on the top right. Just go and click on Available Campaigns on the top right over here. Once you've done that, you need to click on My Campaigns on the left over here, and on the top right, go and click on Available Campaigns. Scroll down a little bit, you'll see over here Digital Daily Deal Campaign. Click on these 3 dots. You want to click on deploy so we can import this entire campaign to our account. So let's just go daily deal, for example. Click on imports over here and it will take about 60 seconds to deploy everything to your account. Once this has been imported, come over to My Campaigns on the top left over here and you'll be able to see your campaign is now added, the daily deal, digital deal campaign over here. So what we're going to go and do is we're going to click on My Pages over here and open this in a new tab. Look for the daily digital deal under the pages section over here and it will filter all your pages in your funnel that are successfully imported for you. It's imported all your tags, all your email lists and everything else you need for your active marketing campaign. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and start off with the opt-in page over here, the daily digital deal. Then we've got the sales page, the checkout page, and then the thank you page over here. So let's go start off with page number 1. We're going to click on these 3 dots and click on edit. It will then open up this page in the live page editor where we can go and change all the text, all the pictures, and all of these opt-in forms over here. This first page needs to consist of some kind of giveaway, whether it's an ebook, a course, or something valuable that we can give to our audience in exchange for their name and email to get them into our funnel. So what we're going to do is we can go and use any kind of product over here. We can go into idplr.com, which is a database where we have access to over 12,500 different products to go and give away, and we give them the license to do that to get people into our funnel. So the exact product that I'm going to give away on this first page is going to be an ebook all about funnels and marketing. The reason being is because my main product needs to relate to this ebook. So we're going to go and search, for example, just funnel on the search bar over here. Over here is an ebook called Video Marketing Domination, which is all about video marketing and funnels and creating and selling a product with video content. This is a good one to give away. Over here we've got WordPress affiliate system, virtual summit secrets, WooCommerce membership secrets. This is one of my favorites over here, the sales funnel optimization strategies video upgrade, which is an entire video course on how to optimize your sales funnels for more sales and get extra conversion rates in your funnels, which fits perfectly with our main product, as our main product is going to be a funnel builder. So we can go and click on this product over here. You'll see it will give you a big download button. all you need to do is just go log in with your account, click on download, and this product will then download to your PC. Just ignore the ads, and you can see over here on the top bottom left, it will take a couple of minutes. Once this is downloaded to our PC, we can come back to our page builder over here. Now, all we need to do is just change this page according to this product over here, which we can literally copy and paste this text over here to our page builder over here. Firstly, let's start off with our title, so we can literally just go and copy and paste this title over here, sales funnel optimization strategies. But what I suggest you do is add a little bit of a touch to it. So we can go firstly, double click on it, just highlight it and paste it. We can just make this bold, and we can make it a little bit smaller to make our text maybe just 1.8 like that. And we can type here 397. We can then strike a line through it, just like that. Scratch out the line and type here, now free for lifetime. And we can go and highlight this, for example, like a bright green color, so that people can see this is now free for lifetime. So this gives people the idea they need to grab onto this opportunity right now. So this little subtext over here, again, we can just go and copy and paste this little subsection over here, go and paste this onto our page here. So just highlight this, paste it, maybe just make this unbold like that. And for these little sections over here, we can literally copy some of these topics covered over here. So we can go and copy, for example, effective sales funnel start with product knowledge. So we can just highlight this and paste it like that. We can then just delete this one. We can delete these subsections. We just want these headings over here. There we go. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy, for example, number 2, making sure your content funnel integrates with your conversion funnel. So we can go and paste this over here. Just click on the text and paste that. And number 3, we can just go and use, for example, understanding your content funnels L pages. So let's go and copy that and go and paste this over here. Now this is pretty much complete. All we need to do is we just need to get a little picture over here. So in order to do that, come over to the folder where you downloaded your sales funnel optimization strategies. Just go right click, extract here. If you come over to module 9, the graphics, you can see you've got a whole bunch of different pictures over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and use this deluxe image over here. So we can close this, click on this image here, click on edit style, go and click on image selected, upload image, come over to the graphics folder where we save these graphics, click on the deluxe package over here, select it, and then click on confirm, click on apply, and this picture has now been updated. In order to go and edit this configure form over here, we need to come back to our Cadre dashboard. On the left, click on my forms. You want to go to the bottom right over here and click on plus new form. Just type in the name, so we can go sales funnel opt. Click on create. You want to leave this as default, first name and email. Click on save. For the confirmation, we can click on save and next. Click on single opt-in, click on save. And then for the destination URL, you want to click on a Cadre page. You want to look for the daily digital deal, and your next page needs to be the deal page. So click on save and next. For the welcome message, we want to have the following. Click on change, click on send a welcome email. Just type in your name, click on save, and over here we can go and send an email. So we want to go and type here your sales funnel optimization program free giveaway. So then we can go and type here hi, and we can put their first name. Here is your free course download. And then what we can do is we can just go and highlight this text over here. We can say kind regards, we can say J. We can highlight this text, go and copy the download link to the sales funnel optimization strategies. Just come back to our form over here, highlight this, and click on save. So that means when people enter their name and email on this form and click on yes, I want to get it, they will be sent an email with the download link to this product. So click on save and next. Under automations, click on subscribe to list. Just click on change. Yes, subscribe to a list. Click on daily deal follow up. Click on that, and you want to click on step send email number 2. Click on add. And click on save. Click on save and next, and you want to click on save at the top right, and then click on save and next, and your form is now complete. So come back to your page over here, just click on the drop down on the top right and click on save progress. Once this has been saved, click on your form over here, click on edit pen. You want to click on the daily digital deal funnel over here, or the form over here, click on apply, And this is now complete. This is our first page complete. Click on the drop down, click on publish live, and this is our first page complete. We then want to go and click on our daily digital deal page over here. Click on edit page so we can go and edit our second page. So just click on edit and it will open this up in the same live editor. So what we're actually going to do is we're not actually going to be using this page. The reason being is because our second product is not our own product. So we don't need to sell our own product on these pages. We're going to be promoting an affiliate product with another already done for you funnel. So we are going to come over to this tool over here called builderall.com, and we can go and promote this tool as an affiliate. Now I quickly want to explain to you how much you can actually earn with this tool. So if I come on over to plans over here, let's take a look at this. Builderall has 4 different plans: the Cheetah, Marketer, Premium, and Funnel Club at $40, $90, $69.90, and $79.90 each. Now this is how much you can actually make with this. So Builderall pays 100% commission your first sale. So if you go at if you promote the marketer plan, so if you promote Builderall and someone signs up for the marketer plan, you're going to get $69.90 straight cash to your account your first month. Every month for the rest of your life, you're going to get 30% of that. So let's go and calculate that. $69.90 multiplied by 30%, that is $20. That is $21 commission every single month for the rest of your life. Plus the original $69.90 you've made $90 your first month. So imagine you've now got 20 people paying you. So you've got $69.90 times 20. You're firstly going to get paid a once-off commission of $1,398, and then thereafter $69.90 multiplied by 30% times 20, $419 every single month for the rest of your life, plus the $1,400 that you made in the beginning. I'm busy making 5 figures every single month with this affiliate program. I can actually come over to my dashboard over here. I'll log into my affiliate program to show you some of my results from this. Over here, you can see I'm at $12,709.90 every single month with this affiliate program. For the last while, I've really scaled a lot. So you'll see over here, my total earnings so far is $8,000, 673 euros, and 112 of this currency over here. You can see I've got $143 due today, $372 available. So just to reload this to show you that this is my live dashboard, you can see over here, just waiting for this to reload. This is not a screenshot or anything like that. So what we're going to do is when we land on our Builderall dashboard over here, we're going to click on Builderall Premium Funnels. This is where Builderall has a done for you funnel, which we're going to plug into our own Kartra funnel over here. So Builderall is completely free to sign up for the affiliate program. What you do is you can come over to Builderall. Let me just come back to the home page. Come over to the affiliates page over here so you can sign up as an affiliate. You'll see if I scroll down, we're just waiting for this to load up. To the bottom of this page, just keep scrolling. You'll see over here, you can sign up as an option number 2, Builderall Solo Affiliate, which is completely free to sign up and get your affiliate link. Once you're on your affiliate dashboard over here, again, click on Builderall Premium Funnels, scroll down until you get to this funnel over here. It's called your first 5-day challenge over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to open this in a new tab. The reason why we're going to be doing this is because this funnel gives away over $12,000 completely for free with Builderall. Again, giving value to our leads. So over here, you can see this is the entire sales page over here. In this giveaway with Builderall, and Builderall is free for the first 14 days, your leads get a customized business strategy, private group chat, high converting funnel template, and affiliate marketing emails over here. So what we can do is we can go and copy this affiliate link over here. And now on this form over here on Kartra, we want to change to our affiliate link. So we're going to come back to our Kartra dashboard over here. Just click on Kartra on the top left. Come over to My Forms. Click on the edit or the 3 dots of the sales funnel opt-in form that we created earlier. Click on Edit. You want to click on Edit again. Click on Save and Next. Click on Save and Next. Under the Success page, click on Change. You want to click on External URL and paste your URL over here. So just make sure that's HTTPS. Click on Save and Next, and just go and Save and Next, and make sure this form saves. So that means you'll see over here, if I come over to, let me just come back to my pages. So if I come back to this page over here and I enter my email and name, take a look at this. If I click on Yes, I want to win, it's then going to take me through you'll see over here through my affiliate link over here to this upsell, where your leads will then see this page, and if they want to buy this, you're going to get your builder all commissions. And on top of this, it will also send me that email with my giveaway to the free product. So that is our funnel now complete. Now all we need to do is we need to go and get traffic to this. So what I actually found was on Fiverr or on Upworks.com, I found this gig over here where you just pay $20 and you will get a $150 Google Ads coupon. So what's great about this is instead of spending $150 with Google, you can go and spend $20 on Upworks, and this person will give you a $150 Google ad coupon. So essentially, you're trading $20 for $150 worth of value. You can also go and buy more advanced packages over here. Also, you can come over to this website over here called Digital Strategy or DIYdigitalstrategy.com, and you can go and claim a free $150 Google Ads credit over here. So just go and follow these instructions you'll see over here. All the instructions on here on how to import your code, and then you can go and run with your Google Ads coupon ads to this page over here, literally giving away this free sales funnel optimization strategies in specific countries. Your main thing is you want to go and build your email list, because that is going to be the way to really get sales with this, is to get constant traffic to your affiliate marketing page through your email list, and building your subscriber list more and more as you go along, eventually to 1,000, 10,000 and hundreds of thousands of people. So this is going to be today's video on how to go and promote this daily digital campaign over here. But what I'm going to do is to help you out even more if you want to really scale with funnels, creating your landing pages, and if you want a free course from me on how to go and do this in depth, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a free 35-minute video over here on YouTube. It's my $1 cash machine funnel on how I made over $20,000 with this cash machine. So you can go and click on this video over here. It's a free 35-minute video on YouTube. There's time tags and everything, so you can see all the modules in that video. So make sure to go and click on this video over here, and I'll see you over there.